In this video, I will show you how to log in Norisbank step by step. So friends, let's get started. First, go to Google, search for Norisbank, this keyword. Click the first result here. After click on the first result, you will see this page, official page. From here, just go to log in. When you click login option, you will see this page, login page. So friends, just wait a few seconds. You will see this login page. From here, write your all information about related to your login. Write your subsidiary and account, and then after that, write your account number. For example, this is your numbers, and then click login. So this is to access your account. You can log in also with your ID. Just write your Norisbank ID. When you write your ID, click login option. So this is how you can do. You can also actually log in with your app. Just search for log for Norisbank app. After download this app, you can log in successfully without any problem. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video.